Hi, this is Kashmira Shah, and you're watching me on Times of India. Of course, I'm disappointed because had I stayed there for at least a month, I would have felt that I've achieved something. I felt that it was a very premature elimination. I got out too early. I'm too strong a contestant to get out that fast. And I had done a lot as far as strategy, plotting, planning, flipping the task. And then, even in the task, like if you saw me in the duck task, I had kind of really given it all. I would not let Nikki win, and I did not let her win, and I made sure that I fought to the last. In fact, I have bruises on all over my body to prove that. Abhinav Shukla should have definitely gone because I don't think he's doing anything. So if people think I was not being seen after doing so much, then he definitely has disappeared 5 weeks ago. I don't think I went wrong. I don't think what else could I have done. I know for a fact that I had a lot of fight uh, in me. I had taken a lot of stands. I fought against the age-related issue. I fought against Nikki abusing. I fought against Arshi's constant poking at Vikas. I fought against Arshi's constant flirtatious nature with Abhinav. I did take a stand on a lot of things. In fact, they were treating us like these step children, that had come into the house. So I took a stand against that also. Um, but maybe other things took priority, and that's why this was not shown or not taken into consideration. So I felt somewhere or the other that maybe this was not the right season for me. Maybe some other season, like last season, would have been better because there were worthy players then, and the issues that I had taken up and spoken against would have mattered more then. No, no, I haven't. I been told by my family, don't see, you'll be really disappointed because knowing the fighter that you are, we are sure you've done a lot, whole lot more than what has been shown. So, no, I haven't seen. Because Nikki also said very wrong things. Wasn't that shown? Nikki really, really abused Rakhi and Arshi also. So, why wasn't that shown? I mean, why would I take a stand where both the parties are equally hurling abuses against each other? Nikki, in fact, said to Rakhi कि तेरी इज्जत सभी ने यहाँ लूटी है. What the hell does that mean? Why shouldn't I, means, how can I not take a stand against that? I took a stand against it. I told Nikki that you don't think before you say. What the hell did you say? Didn't you guys see that? No, 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 no. I am not going to choose my friends depending on my survival. My friends in the house have been right. They've been nice to me. They've been kind to me. They've not avoided me. And just because you don't like my friends, I will not keep my friends. That's not Kashmir Shah. I will stand by whoever my friends are. In fact, there were a lot of times that Arshi was wrong, and I pointed it out and I fought with her. And I explained to Rakhi also a lot of times. And they listened. Rakhi listened to me most of the time. And then Rakhi changed her behavior most of the time. But then if somebody comes and abuses Rakhi, then Rakhi will abuse back. So I was the only person that would tell them, don't do this, don't do that. Even if you're abusing, make sure that you're not in the wrong. Stand up for the right. This was the voice of sense between all three of them. Plus, I did not choose, or they didn't choose to be my friends. We were thrown together because nobody else would talk to them or me. The girls that were there earlier from the season, from day one, did not speak to us at all. In fact, they treated us very, very badly. Because that was orchestrated by me, that they would lose the task to uh, make me win, right? Second week, when Nikki had that fake fight with me that she orchestrated just like that, and in the nomination task she said Umar ka lihaz. When in the morning I brought this up, Manu comes to me, and instead of asking me how are you doing, I hope you're okay, or hugging me because he knew I was crying, he said, why did you bring this topic up in the morning? You were thinking about it all night. Now, these were Nikki's words because this is not how Manu speaks, whatever little I know of him. So, I got disappointed in him as a friend. I felt that you are just becoming Nikki's mouthpiece. You are not who you are. And I kept seeing him following Nikki and listening to her and playing by her agenda throughout. Our group had broken up much before Nikki had entered. So, I was playing as an individual and solo player, but I felt somewhere or the other Manu had spoiled his game because of Nikki, and he had lost me as a friend. They are boring, that's what I feel. If Vikas Gupta has gone in now, I think he should win because he's really an intelligent player, and I would always, always give an intelligent and a real player more kudos. Well, I'd like to tell my fans that I'm still a big, big, big fan of Bigg Boss, so don't hold that against me just because they've eliminated me and I've been out. You know me as the real person. I would never ever fight for fake reasons. I would not cause problems where there is none. And also, I stand for the right and I will always stand up for the right. Thank you for supporting me and voting for me.